Hello, my name is Brian Boeheim of Boeheim Freeman Law. And today I want to take 5 minutes of your time to talk about an order that was put out by the Supreme Court of the state of Oklahoma on May 1st, 2020. This order is regarding the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, in particular in how it addresses residential evictions. In particular, a plaintiff in any action for eviction shall affirmatively plead, that means you must plead that the property that is subject of the eviction dispute is or is not covered under the CARES Act. Now, the way they're going to do that is they're making you fill out an affidavit. It's an aggravation, but it's not a big deal. Now, who needs to fill this affidavit out? Only forcible entries and detainers and affidavits of possession filed on or after March 27th of 2020. Also, you must file this. The Supreme Court has given you a form. It's available to you. You just have to fill it out. It's a verification of compliance with Section 4024 of the CARES Act. It's not overly complex. It's very straightforward. It asks you if you're the plaintiff or you're an authorized agent. It's saying, do you submit the verification and support? It asks you particular on number 4. This action is being filed due to the non-payment of rent, fees, or other charges. Yes or no? You need to file it either way. I know that's counterintuitive because you're sitting there going, well, it's not about rents, fees, and charges. If somebody broke their lease, they did something ridiculous, and I should be able to toss them out and evict them based on the fact that it doesn't fall within the CARES Act. I understand that. But this particular verification is very clear. This action is being filed due to the non-payment of rent, fees, or other charges, yes or no. Just file it. Save yourself the aggravation. Now, what are considered covered properties? They have a whole list. I'll go through them real quick. We're talking about public housing, Section 8 housing with voucher program, Section 8 project-based housing, Section 202 housing for the elderly, Section 811 housing for people with disabilities, Section 236 multifamily rental housing, Section 221D3 below market interest rate housing, the Home Act, housing opportunities for persons with AIDS, McKinney-Vento Act for homelessness programs, Section 515 rural rental housing, Sections 514 and 516 the farm labor housing, Section 533 housing preservation grants, Section 538 multifamily rental housing, low-income housing tax credits, and rural housing voucher programs under Section 542 of the Housing Act of 1949. Those are the ones that they are listing as covered properties. You just need to fill this out. You need to sign it. You need to file it with your petition. You need to get it there. Also, have a copy of it when you go to court so that the judge can recognize it just in case there's something goofy or there's some question about it. If you have any other questions, contact your attorney and they'll be able to help you out. Thank you for your time.